Hello.
Hi.
Today we are going to be exploring
Hervey Bay.
We spent our time at the Beach Motel, Hervey Bay. Join us as we have a look around this beautiful hotel. This is our spa suite. Quite a nice little space. Out the back side is another little seating area. This is the pool. Quite lovely. Just a little laundry room in this motel with 2 washing machines and a dryer. The Torquay Hotel, great place for lunch. Part of the foreshore at Torquay in Hervey Bay. Wonder if this tree's lit up at night. This is coming down onto the beach opposite our hotel. Chit Chat Cafe. Lots of different whale watching and tours leave from here. What do you think of Hervey Bay so far, Phil?
It's very pleasant.
What's surprised you?
Not overly touristy so far. It's good weather.
Along the waterfront at the Boat Harbour, there's actually a couple of different marinas, and this one is Great Sandy Straits Marina.
I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight.
And the mantra at Hervey Bay is right on the Boat Harbour. Lions Park at Urangan Pier, which is an old wooden pier. It used to be 1 kilometre long. Now it's about 863 metres long, and it used to be used to transport goods out to the boats waiting in deeper water. Looking out into the bay, we're obviously low tide. What are we looking at today, Phil?
Oh, it's big woody island straight in front of us and Fraser Island beyond it. Quite big Fraser Island.
It is. We're going there tomorrow.
Yeah, going tomorrow.
Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails.
Pretty sure that crabs make all those little bubbles. There's probably hundreds and thousands of crabs.
See the big holes down there? Must be some big crabs in there.
We just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn.
There's actually fish in the water, trying to eat them.
We are dreamers of the shore.
Always photo opportunities in places. Nice little frame for you to get part of the jetty. One of the activities we really enjoyed was whale watching with Tasman Venture. If you want to see more of this little episode, check out the complete video we've got of our whale watching experience. What sort of experiences do you like to do when you're on holidays? Let us know in the comments below. We also enjoyed a day at Carry or Fraser Island, and if you want to check out that full experience, we've also got another video that you'll find in the description below or the card above. If you're enjoying today's video, please hit that like button. Entry is free. Go wet yourself at Wetside. We think it is actually Pialba Beach. So that's where Wetside is, and also the Seafront Oval. What is that, Phil?
Sticky date cake. Looks yum. This is a hazelnut chocolate brownie. Really nice caramel and super sweet strawberry.
The brownie's really moist and fudgy and yum. Good choice for morning tea, I reckon. Enzo's on the beach. What did you just say about the bowl, Phil?
You know it's good when you want to lick the bowl. It's just not polite in the restaurant.
What was that?
It's just not polite in the restaurant.
Scarness Beach has a stinger warning. Tells you how to treat them. I think we might actually walk to the end of this one. Viewing platform at the beginning. Flipping love locks. Boats out in the bay. Quite got to that point yet. They almost look like little trees, don't they?
There's some good sized fish in there. Looking carefully.
So apparently, Loch Ness has moved to Scarness in Queensland. So if you're looking for Nessie, don't bother going to Loch Ness. Head to Scarness. How cool was that? There's hundreds of little baby hermit crabs climbing around, and they really are like way smaller than even your pinky, probably a baby's pinky. Those tiny little shells with these tiny little almost see-through crabs. Very cool. Just turned the corner and got to the end of the esplanade, and it's all just like mud flats. Look at that boat, just waiting for the tide. We've pulled up to the Hervey Bay Tourist Information Centre. You know me, I like a good tourist information centre. I know we've seen a fair bit already, but it's always good to go and check out what we could fill the rest of our day up with, and just to see what the area has on offer for next time we come back. Or you come visit. Alright, well thank you. Not a problem. So these guys are promoting a triathlon, is that right?
Yes, so triathlon starts on Saturday, goes for 3 days.
Are you running? I reckon you'd win that one though. You might get a bit of an inside scoop on that. As always, the Tourist Information Centre did not disappoint. And seeing Harvey the whale do a bit of a dance promoting the marathon was a little bit of a bonus. So, you know, keep your eyes peeled. You never know what you'll find when you wander around. On the recommendation of the lady at the Tourist Information Centre, we spent an afternoon in Maryborough. Maryborough is a great little town, and if you want to see what we discovered, check out the card above or you'll find the link in the description. When breakfast has a view like this. Back at Enzo's for brekkie. Going into Orchid House, which is free entry. Morning. Look at this one. I love the colour in that. Such a beautiful place. That is just magnificent. That looks like an iris, but not.
These are stunning, aren't they?
They are absolutely
came in
beautiful.
yesterday.
That's weird, isn't it? Look at that. So dainty, aren't they? It's amazing, isn't it?
Dad loved orchids.
Yeah.
I don't
See
think
why? They're amazing flowers.
I don't think I ever got many to actually bloom because they take so much work.
Yeah. They just make other flowers look ordinary.
I didn't even realise that was an orchid.
Yeah.
Check this one out.
That's amazing, isn't it?
Stunning, aren't they?
The variety's amazing.
God knew what he was doing when he did orchids, that's for sure. The Botanic Gardens is known for the Orchid House and its lagoon, which apparently has turtles, fish and ducks.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
I thought the turtles would be a bit elusive, but there's heaps of them.
Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand?
We're going to head back towards the car, but there's more walking trails you can do. A very tranquil little stop.
Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two.
Thanks for joining us today. If you liked what you saw, why not hit the like and subscribe button, ring that little bell and you'll be notified of our upcoming videos. As always, thanks for joining us. Travel brilliantly. Bye. If you liked what you saw today, why not check out our whale watching adventure, another part of our Hervey Bay series.